So for this year, what we're going to do is I'm still going to have the classes on Monday, but I'm adding Tuesday as well. The other reason why I'm doing that is because we're expanding the amount of classes that we're offering per request. So we still have the regular classes that we had. We're adding in new classes. There's not enough Mondays to be able to handle all of this. So that's why we're adding on to Tuesdays. Sundays are still going to be by request, and those I'm going to try to keep for group trainings. Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays are still going to be by request as well too for mentorship. And that is going to be, I mean, I could do groups, I don't care. But, you know, if you're an individual stylist, that's the offering that I got for you as well too. Either way, anybody that's taken a class from us and anybody that knows, if you're looking for support, that is what we're here for. We're here to serve, we're here to support. So if you need education, if you need help, give me a call. Let's talk it out and we'll come up with something to try to help you.